The Ozarks continues to see heavy rain. Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Lindsay Klein, and it's been a wet weekend, and it doesn't seem to be letting up anytime soon. This weekend's rain is flooding out roads and raising waterways. Our Kevin Schwaller joins us now. And Kevin, you were tracking some of the hot spots today.
Lindsay, the rain was a nuisance more than anything for drivers and others this weekend, although there were a few close calls, and the skies opened up just as the Ozark Empire Fair was shutting down.
Meet a lot of people, see a lot of places, have fun.
Charlie Cole is keeping his spirits high as the rain falls down, making for soggy track.
Can't break the blower out because it's stuck all to the ground.
Cole is in charge of cleanup at the Ozark Empire Fair. 4 Wade shows. Rain stop him? No.
I put on a poncho and kept on going.
The rainfall did, though, stop some drivers, or at least give them pause. Flooding in western Greene County prompted crews to put up warnings. Emergency managers, police, and others reported downed trees, washed out roads, and a few water rescues this weekend across the Ozarks. The National Weather Service in Springfield listed 37 counties under a flash flood watch at one point, and 18 counties along with several rivers under a flood warning.
Probably hold us up just a hot second, but not too long.
Cole says he'll finish the cleanup job soon.
As they say, the show must go on.
That saying is true here. He has to be ready for the opening of the Missouri State Fair in Sedalia on Thursday.
Crews took apart much of the equipment at the fair already, and we're continuing to pack up this afternoon under a light drizzle, and it doesn't look like we are out of that wet weather yet.
That's right, Kevin. It doesn't seem like it's letting up much. Lindsay J joins us now. Lindsay, does it look like there's any sunshine in our near future at all?
Not quite yet. I know sunshine has been in limited supply over the past several days, and it is going to be a rather cloudy one once again for tomorrow. Let's get right to those weather headlines. Limited supply of sun, and it seems like an endless supply of rain. Is there an end in sight? Well, not just yet. We have more rain that is on the way, and we do have some flooding that's occurring right now. If you want some more of that specific flooding information, just log online to ozarksfirst.com. There are details there with all the road closures and the specific creeks and ponds that are currently overflowing. Look at all the rainfall we've received in the past 2 days alone. Some isolated locations have received in excess of 5 inches. Right here, we see that just in the past 2 days, Springfield has received 3.5 inches. Elsewhere, we have seen some heavy totals, especially in western Missouri. And guess what, guys? Well, we have another round of rain that's heading our way into the overnight hours tonight, and it will be with us tomorrow. The good news right now, we're starting to see some of that rainfall let up, but this is only going to be a quick break because that rain should be pushing into our area within the next few hours as it approaches from the west and pushes east throughout our viewing area for tonight. Right now, we do have some light showers in Greene, Webster, Douglas counties, and then some spotty showers in northern Arkansas. But here's what it's looking like for tomorrow. A stormy start. If you're heading out the door early, keep that in mind. And actually, your weather prop of the week is a raincoat, or actually just some rain gear, because even though it's been a very wet weekend, it's going to be a very wet start to our work week coming up. Now, if you want to, you can always email me your weather pictures. Find me on Facebook, Twitter, or email me. I want to say thank you because we did have a viewer send in a picture of a roll cloud. This is from Nicholas in Branson. A storm pushed through early this morning in Branson, and it's not a tornado. It does have that kind of a spherical roll to that cloud, but what actually happens is when you have a downdraft within a storm, it kind of forces some of the air at the ground upwards, and with any wind shear you have, it causes that rolling and that twisting motion in the clouds. So it's kind of a cool looking thing, neat picture. Thank you to Nicholas for sending that in. Stick around because coming up in just a little bit, I'll break down all of those rain chances in your 7-day forecast.